chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Time will always try to make us. Time will always try to make us. You remind me what I used to know.
Let us welcome with our round of applause the newlywed couple, Mr. Jessenian and Mrs. Maria Regina Mexico.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Yeah. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Brand new.
Buto ng aming buto. Babae ang nagtatawag sa kanya, sapagkat sa lalaki nagmula siya. Ito ang kanilang, kaya iniwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina upang sumama sa kanyang asawa, sapagkat sila'y laging iisa.
Una ito ay permanente. Pasinabing permanente, ang katotohanan na iyong asawa ay manatiling hanggang sa ulis na iyong buhay. Dili pagkakabuhay at kami napakayanan ang mga pag-iwalay sa inyo.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do.
Ang pinagiging sa Diyos, mawasan ko ang inyong pagkakaroon. Upang mamakasal ninyo si Yesu na mamamahimik at pagiging pagkakaroon ang buhay. Yesu na mamakasal ko ang inyong pagkakaroon. Upang mamakasal ninyo si ang pinagiging sa Diyos. Dahil mamamahimik at pagiging pagkakaroon ang buhay. Nakalagay ko naman sa inyo na lalo sa sumawa sa bayan na mamahasa ni Maaway ng Sutili pagkakaroon ng Osewan upang sinabi kami bilang mahuli mamaway ng Kristiyan. Pinangalan si Jesus at Maria Virgen sa lahat ng Diyos sa lahat ng Sabaya ang pagpilito ng inyong mahal at ito ay ang pagpilito sa mga sa Panginoon na kasal. Hingga patuloy sa usapan, yang nakikinig kami ng kasama ang pagkakaroon gusto ng Pilipinas sa kanilang mga ang Espiritu Santo. Bilang tanda ng pagkakita sa lawas-wasa, pasalubong ng sila ang harapan.
There's no words to say it, but I'll find them over time. There's no way to show it, but I'm gonna try for the rest of my life. 'Cause you are the best part of me, the side I hope everyone sees, the air that I breathe when missing peace wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me. My daylight sky blue, my greener grass on the other side. It's just the simple truth. All that was wrong, you made it right. 'Cause you are the best part of me, the side I hope everyone sees, the air that I breathe when missing peace wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are
There's no need for any big plans. We'll just go to I know that we'll see it through. Yeah, I believe that me and you, we're doing what we're meant to.
Tell me that you love me forever.
You know I'll never leave you.
Say we're always gonna be together.
Oh, no one's gonna love you like I do. No one's gonna love you like I do. Oh, no one's gonna love you like I do. No one's gonna love you like I do. I do. Let's chase all our big dreams through open fields and overseas. Where you are is where I wanna be. Forever isn't too long when I'm right where I belong. Ooh, baby, this love is strong.
Tell me that you love me forever.
You know I'll never leave you.
Say we're always gonna be together.
Oh, no one's gonna love you like I do. No one's gonna love you like I do. Oh, no one's gonna love you like I do. No one's gonna love you like I do. I do.
Tell me that you love me forever.
You know I'll never leave you.
Wala yung anak mo, hindi narinig ko yun. Thank you for coming, everybody. I'm speechless ako. Akala ko, natanggap ko na kasi. I think Gege or Reg is already at the right age for marriage. And somehow I know Jess already. And I think I just hope that he won't change. I think I can entrust Gege to him. At this point, I don't know, sometime in the future. But of course, I know you're praying with us that this marriage will be successful and this couple will prove that there is such a thing as forever. In the same manner that you are here, which shows that our friendship is forever. Thank you so much. Just like what Ma'am Mon said earlier, instead of you going elsewhere, you opted to share this event with us. Maraming salamat po. That is something that I will treasure for life. I know there are a lot other things to do and there are a lot other places to go, but we are all gathered here today. Thank you so much and God bless us. Finally, the moment we've been all waiting for. Guests, I would like you to all stand and let us welcome with our round of applause the newlywed couple, Mr. Jesenian and Mrs. Maria Regina Bensico. Again, let us give our newlyweds a round of applause, please.
and let us feel the presence of our dear. Heavenly Father, we praise and worship you. We would like to thank you for everything, especially to Jess and Gege, for them, the blessing which is due to them. To the parents, bless also their parents, and at the same time, all the people that are present in this event. We would like to thank you for a very good weather, for this wonderful day. We would like to thank you for everything. I would like to ask everybody to say a little prayer in silence for the newlywed. Bigyan niyo po ng sapat na panahon, magbigay tayo ng pansarili nating panalangin para sa ating mahal na si Jess at si Gege. Lord, lagi mo po silang patnubayan sa pagtahak nila sa bagong buhay. Bigyan mo sila ng magandang kinabukasan. Pagpalain mo at bigyan mo, gawin mong matagumpay ang kanilang pagsasama ngayon at magpasawalang hanggan. All this we ask in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, together with our dear Mother Mary. Amen.
Your hand, it fits perfect in mine. The world has stopped, and so has time. 'Cause we're so in love, and we're so in love, and we're so in
Congratulations, Jess and Rex, sa inyong wedding. Pati rin sa mga pamilya, sa kay Maring Ruby, kay Inang, sa kumari ko na nag-alaga dito sa batang maganda. Ang hihiling ko lang sana ay magmahalang kayo. Sabi nga ng pare kanina, lagi kayong mananalangin. Tapos kung nakunan nyo, yung center ng wedding nyo kanina, si Jesus Christ. So, yun lang gawin yung center ng relationship nyo at hindi kayo maliligaw. Magmahalang kayo at pagpalakpakan natin sila.
Ayan. Thank you. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Gege and Jess. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, don't keep secrets to each other. Kailangan lagi kayong tapat para laging buo ang trust nyo at para hindi masira ang inyong pagsasama. Para lagi kayong may forever. Tsaka yun nga, katulad din ng laging put God first in the center. Wala talagang ligaw yun. Miski si Father, yun ang sinabi sa inyo kanina. Ayun.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Reg and Jess, congratulations and best wishes. Mga babayo ko lang sa inyo, laging trust at saka faith sa isa't isa. Nandiyan yung love nyo, alam ko yun. Weakness ako dyan. Jess, sana kung lagi mong hinaantay si Reg nung mag-boyfriend, girlfriend pa lang kayo, sana ngayon, tuloy mo ba siya, babatayan sa office pag-uwi niya.
I know when it comes to love, you so that I think that she won't see what I see. Every time she asks me to, I will I say, when I see your face, it's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing. Just the way you are, and when you smile, the whole world stops and stands for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I can kiss them only if she let me. Her laugh, she hits the naughty, it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, just stay the same. So, even if I ask you if you know, you know I say, and I see your face. There's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are, the way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stands for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Magandang gabi. Ayan. For my new inaanak, pang ilan na ba ito, Ma'am Ruby? Ayan. Ang wish ko lang sa inyong dalawa is to continue loving and love each other unconditionally. Not only each other, but also your children. Siguro, sana marami kasi isa ka lang eh. Di ba, no, Ma'am Ruby? Pagdating sa inyo, damihan nyo naman. Again, aside from loving each other, I know if you love more, if you give more love to your children, automatically your love with each other will grow more. Ayun, feeling ko lang yun. Pero alam ko yun eh. Sabi ko nga kanina, sana nauna ako kasi yung sinabi nila, yun ang sasabihin ko. As Compadre says a while ago, put God in the center of everything or in your family and relationship. God bless you. I love you now and forever. Okay, forever.
Good evening, everyone. Ge and Jess. Of course, Ge is my inaanak sa kumpil. So, talagang sinusog. Hindi naman niya ako sususugin pala. I'm from Angono. Pero I am so honored na you considered me to be your ninang during this momentous event in your life, once in a lifetime. Now, I know get to be a wonderful daughter, a very good daughter to Mommy Ruby. And so with being a good daughter, I know you'll be a good wife as well. So si Jess, ngayon ko lang siya na-meet actually. And I know he's a good man. He will be a good husband kasi hindi ang papa sa kay Inang at kay Mommy Ruby. Hindi kayo darating sa puntong ito kung hindi siya mabait. So, because you have been blessed by God, so with your wedding, I know you will have the forever that all of us are wishing the two of you. I love you, you're both beautiful, so stay beautiful and stay good people as you are. Thank you, and good evening, God bless us all po.
Thank you, Nina.
Yes, ang masasab. Yes, sana magsama kayo ng maganda, mabuti, at sana gabayan na lang kayo ng buong may kapal. Alala kasi masasabi kasi nasabi na yung lahat eh. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you. Ayun. Ay, ayaw tumigil. Ayaw niya tumigil. Ayaw. Ate Jess muna. Who wants to see Jess dance? Palakpak naman. It's a mission. Mukhang mataas ah. Kaya taas pa. Ayan, okay. Around the world. Dapat ganito. Ayan, watch me win. Watch me win. Pakipasa mo na. Ang lukot naman natin.
Watch me win.
Grabe ang saya! Ang taas ng energy dito! Woo! Grabe ko! Atas natin! Wow! Yan! Ganun yung gusto ko! Natatakot! Ay! Ibig sabihin nun, hindi, out ka na. Uy, ipasok mo! Ano kuya, you're cute also. Anyway, out ka na eh. Sayang. May dalawang pag-aaway pa kayo niyan ah. Ay, oh. Out, diba? Ikaw yung hindi may kapit. Makulit ka dito kasi. Ha? Alam ko ginagawa sa makukulit na bata. Okay, standby ka lang dyan. Hawakan mo to. Okay, palakpakan na po natin ang ating crowd. Sumayaw kayo ha. Okay, ipapas-pas na natin. Next round. Again, one round lang to girls ha. Kung kanina na siya hihinto, yun na yun. Okay? Ano, ulitin ko pa? Malinaw na? Okay, thank you girls for participating. Ako, wait lang po. Baguhin na guys. What's your name? Kunyari hindi kita kilala, tapos first time lang natin nakita. What's your name, beautiful lady? Joy. Joy. Kailangan ko kung sasabihin ko yung pangalan. Joy, halika dito. Okay, si Joy po yung nakakuha ng puke. At sino po yung... Huwag kang magre-reklamo ha kung nag-aaral dito. Okay, what's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel, ito yung participation mo. You are not the one who will put the garter to Joy's legs. Remember yung pinasayaw po natin yung boys kanina, nag-out-out tayo, di ba? Do you still remember who was the first one to be out of the game? Siya po yung totoo maglalagay ng garter kay Joy. Nasaan siya? Now your participation is to go to him and give him the garter. Okay, palakpakan naman dyan. Ano pong pangalan nila?
Dan.
Dan. kayo. Ay, diba? Kasi papunta kayo kay Mas Joey, kailangan niyo mong sumayaw habang lumalakad ka sa kanya. Wait lang, pero hindi mo yung gagawin kung hindi sila mag-agree. Kasi kung baka ayaw nila eh. Ayaw niyo ba na ganun yung gagawin niya? At ayaw niyo? Ayaw niyo? Gusto niyo? Gusto niyo? Nakasin niyo naman gusto niyo? Okay, sorry. Ayaw ko sana pero gusto nila eh. Mas marami sila sa akin. Sir, yung ating very sexy but very wholesome music naman dyan. Grabe, ang sexy nun. Okay. Palakpakan Ayun pala. Ayan, and now, Sir Dan will put the garter onto Miss Joy's leg. Ano ba sinisigaw kung nilalagay yung garter? Higher! Ganon, higher. Okay na lang, mag-participate din naman kayo. No, ipapakupan. Dito ha. Ayan, nalagay na po. Higher ba? Hindi na cash. Sir Dan, grabe ka. Ayan. Yay! Parang may nag-click ng glasses. Wait lang, wag po na kayong maalis dyan. Joy, huwag kang mag-hide kasi pinipicturean kayo. Okay, guess number 1, Jess and Reg. Gagayahin nila Joy yan. Ayun. Kesa, ang bilis naman ng namin niya lang. Dito sa nakikita sa camera. Tapa. Ayan. Okay, guess number 2. Ay! Sir Dan, sa'yo na po. Ay, hinapit ko. And last guess number 3. Ay, ganun di ba dapat patagal? Madali lang, nakausapin ko yung board of the directors. Ma'am, okay lang po ba? Inang, oh, nagagalit si Inang sa akin eh. Ayan. A round of applause to our newly
Hi everyone. First of all, I want to thank Tita Ruby. Sa lahat po ng support and tulong. And sa buong family po ng Reyes. For the love and support, hindi lang sa preparation for today, kung hindi from the very first moment na pumasok ako sa bahay nila, is tinanggap nila ako. And also, thank you po, Inang Fe. Thank you po sa pagtanggap niyo po sa akin. Kahit po noong una, medyo may mga differences tayo. Thank you po sa pagmamahal. And sa lahat po, ito yung umaga po, pinagbabaon niyo pa ako ng lunch. Thank you so much, Inang Fe. And again po kay Tita Ruby, siguro po, ngayon pwede ko kayong tawagin Mami B. Si Bem, may kihati na po si Bem. Dalawa na kami tatawag ng Mami B. And thank you is not enough sa lahat ng suporta, pagmamahal sa aming dalawa ni Regina. And I commit to love and cherish Regina for the rest of my life. And also, I want to thank my parents. Kahit wala po sila dito ngayon, for raising me to be a good man. I will never be here without them. Kahit po wala sila dito, I know that we have their blessing and support. And to my Tito Jesse and Tita Lirio, thank you so much kasi po kayo po yung gumanap bilang parents ko. And I will never forget it. And yes, on behalf of my wife and I, we would like to thank you all for coming here today, for sharing our special day with us. And it's really good to know that we are surrounded by people who are really important to us. We hope that you enjoy every bit as much as we do. We know that some of you have traveled a long way just to be here, and that means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And sa aking mga groomsmen, meron daw pong rule sa wedding. Sabi po nila, na sa kasal po daw na wala daw pong dapat na maging mas good looking pa kaysa sa groom. And to my groomsmen, thank you kasi tinupag niyo yung rule. Thank you. And sa bridesmaids, yeah, thank you so much sa mga friends namin kasi naging part rin ako ng friends nila. Apart from my wife, there are other beautiful girls here today. Thank you so much sa support from day one. Since namiging kami ni wife ko is nakasupport na sila sa akin. I don't know kung sila ako pero I feel naman na they do. And thank you so much. And finally, I would like to thank my wife. I think I both enjoy yung wife term. Kailangan ko masama. And thank you for agreeing to marry me. I don't know kung may choice ko pero I think naman in your heart na you really want to be my wife. And for making me the happiest man in the world. Thank you so much. They say that don't marry someone you can live with, but you marry the person you can't live without. And I think that's why we are perfect for each other. So I can't live without you. I love you so much and I can't wait to grow old with you. Sa'yo lang. And ladies and gentlemen, please stand up and raise your glasses to my beautiful and gorgeous wife, Regina.
Cheers.
Cheers!
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 Ayan!
Thank you. Thank you po.
Thank you. I'll be seated.
Mag-message na rin siya para balance. Mag-message naman.
This time we will hear from our beautiful wife, Reg.
Nadaya ko rin na hindi ako prepared. Kaya pala nung morning pa lang, sobrang sulat na siya na sulat. Sabi ko, pero mo ba? Anyway, I'd like to give thanks first to the people who are here and also who are not here. So, thank you so much for giving us your precious time. I know a lot of you are from far places, kahit yung mga malalapit. So, you generously gave our time to us. Thank you so much. Hopefully, nabusog naman lahat. I'd also like to thank my family for loving me unconditionally, for my mom, for everything. Anyways, lagi ko naman sinasabi sa kanya yun na love ko siya sa Facebook. And now, I'm saying this, Mommy, I love you. Ulit. I hope I will try my best to maintain or even to maintain my relationship to her, kung paano kami ngayon. Hopefully naman hindi magbago. Sana mas mapakita ko sa kanya how much I love her. Though I'd have a family na very soon. So, I love you and thank you for everything. Siyempre, ganun din. Sa mga tita ko, ganun din. Sobrang, ang dami kong mommies. I thank God for that. For my friends, bongga kayo, grabe. Sobrang, thank you sa support from, tama naman si Jess, from day one, from mga bata pa tayo hanggang ngayon, sobrang pinakita niyo how much you love me, you love us. Ang effort niyo, grabe. Yung mga ganda dyan sa likod, tsaka sa gilid. Thank you, I love you all, sisters. Although I don't have biological sisters, through them, I know how it feels to have a lot of sisters. So, thank you. Saka sa inyo naman, bawi-bawi din. Of course, I won't mention you one by one, but I'd like you to know that I'm very grateful. And of course, to my husband, you know naman from day one na hindi ako expressive. But hopefully naman you feel how much I love you, how much I trust you. Sorry ba? Ano ba? I love you. Ano ba yun? You showed me how it is to be loved by a man. And you made me feel as if I am the most beautiful girl. Totoo po yan. Sobrang sinuspoil ako niyan. Kahit feeling ko ang ganda-ganda ko. So sana magbago. Mas mag-improve pa. Tsaka, lagi mo pa rin ako hintayin pag nag-uwi ako. Ayan. Yan, matyaga po siya from naging boyfriend ko siya. Mauti na ako from audit, tapos sa RSC. So, yan, lagi siyang, hindi naman lagi, pero most of the time, hinihintay niya ako. Before from pa siya, Fairview. Tapos ako, di ba, Amon. So, hinahatid pa niya ako. Yun lang, I'm so proud of how he treats me. So, I can say that I'm so lucky having you. So, thank you. Yun lang, I have lots of things. I have lots of things in my mind that I want to say to you, but, you know, hindi ko ma-vocalize. Anyways, basta tayo mamaya. Yun lang, I love you. I hope to have wonderful marriage, wonderful family with you. Ayun lang. I love you.
Thank you, brother. Ayun. Thank you for coming